everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, today we're talking about the wife Showmax. After the previous episode, many people thought it was the final episode, but according to Film Pillar, the entertainment commentator, the wife Showmax will end in May, take a production break and come back with a new season late this year 2022. Let's get back to what happened to Sambulo. So do you think he survived the shooting and the fire? Well, I don't think so. Sambulo has been training Mqoqi on how to use a gun. He recently told him he won't be around forever. Mqoqi must be able to protect the family in times of need. That's what Sambulo told him. Boom, nabo majola semlalela unyendle bembulala. And by the look of things, the only person to save Omar Geba from that hostage is Mqoqi. He has a perfect angle to shoot them, and I'm convinced he will shoot one of the Majola brothers. I think he will shoot or kill the older brother. And guys, I don't want to talk about Mandisa's betrayal. She must just pray they don't find out it was her. That was my speculations. Please do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Do you think kuphelile ngoma Geba, or you are with me? Umqoqi will be a family hero? Bye.